Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to uninstall an app on Android device, and now let's dive right in. Now, to uninstall an app on Android device, first you will be able to uninstall any app from over here on the menu section. If you just tap and hold on the app which you want to uninstall, this kind of interface will appear where you can see after tapping and holding on the app, this kind of pop-up will appear. You can do that for any app you like. You can see, tap on it and hold on it and tap on uninstall, or if in your case it's the pop-up box won't appear, you can go to the settings of your phone, guys. Open the settings of your phone over here and scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us just below the app battery. Tap on apps, and over here you can see the app management at the top of the screen. Tap on app management and let's let this page load. After it loads, guys, at the search bar at the top of the screen, tap on it and search for the app which you want to uninstall from a device. And after searching, guys, tap on the app and you will land on this interface where you can see there is the uninstall button available for us just beside the first stop. Tap on uninstall and this kind of interface will appear, and tap on OK, and that app will be uninstalled on your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to uninstall an app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.